Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of the markets, guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, guys. Moving on to the content for today, we have Ethereum Fear and Greed Index. We see that it's currently at 53, so it's neutral, guys. Still indecisive, still doesn't, really know what to do. So today we're going to discuss what are the key levels that crypto needs to hold, in order for it to continue its uptrend, guys. So moving forward, we have Ethereum's current price at $1,641, guys. We do see a negative bearish candle, actually red candle for today, as we see right here. We do see that we're still in this ascending channel formation, guys, so that hasn't changed much in that sense, but we did rebound from the bottom part of this ascending channel formation recently, and also rebounded from the blue trend line once again, guys. So we're gonna have to see, if Ethereum has enough juice, enough momentum, enough volatility to actually meet this point of convergence or confluence here, where the ascending channel top touches alongside that resistance at around $1,786, guys. That continues to be again, the pivotal level for Ethereum. You know what I mean? We do see that there's been bearish divergence, so we have to wait and see, if it's going to play out as well in the next couple of weeks. That's something that we definitely have our eyes on. And then the indicators, again, it's indecisive. It tried to go up the blue over the orange here, is trying again. We have to wait and see. If it gets below 20, the stochastic RSI, then that would indicate that the momentum is waning, guys. So stay tuned in the next couple of days. And then here we made a low and a higher low, so we're gonna have to wait and see if we're gonna breach this one and make a new low as well. We'll see if the divergence plays out, but a lot of consolidation, just going sideways up here, you know what I mean, just making things boring, after this major upswing at the beginning of 2023. So we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna definitely wait and see, to see what happens in the next couple of days. With regards to the total market cap for crypto, basically excluding Bitcoin, we do see that essentially we're still hugging this trend line, this green trend line, this bottom part of it. The top is here, this is the bottom part. We're hugging it. We do see a considerable red negative bearish candle with the wick currently as support, so it's definitely something to keep in mind. You see that strength there. If it pierces through, then we expect this part of this downtrending line here to be tested in the next couple of days. But if it keeps holding, then it's on track towards that $616 billion resistance level, guys. So that's one that we're definitely keeping an eye out for. Right now there's $577 billion in altcoins, guys. So strong, it's still holding strong. We'll see if this pattern holds in the next couple of days. We'll definitely provide an update. So with regards to the DXY, the dollar index, the Dixie, we do see that we're, after making this move here into resistance at 105.35, we've had bullish consolidation here. As we see with this green bullish positive candle today, we do see a little bit of a wick, but we're most likely going to retest that resistance to see if we can pierce through it. We can breach it towards the next one at around 108.31, which we've been talking for the past week, for the past couple of weeks already, as that possible next target for the DXY, because it does seem to have strength. I mean, this could be, possibly you have a top here and then you have a double top and then we retrace. That's possible. Anything is possible with TA and with the charts, guys. But right now, that's why that resistance is key. It is really fundamental right now for the DXY to breach it towards the upside and make a new local high to see if we can shift that trend towards the upside, guys. If you enjoyed this type of informative content, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press informative videos. And yeah, again, click the bell, subscribe, like the video, it helps the algorithm. Also, description down below, we have a link that takes you to our free playlist of educational videos. You can take a pen, a pencil with a piece of paper. We have educational presentations for you guys here, just a click away, guys. So moving on, let's make sure we refresh this real quick. Let's see here. Let's click here. Let's see. Yes, so as we can see here, we have Ethereum. So $1,642 is the price currently, and it's just down 0.20% in the last 7 days, guys. We're gonna review the top 5 here as usual. Number 2, BNB, $300. This thing is a stable coin, man. Every time we check, it's around this price. This the same, Bitcoin the same. Just a lot of consolidation in the markets, guys. Just a lot of consolidation, not a lot of volatility. The calm before the storm. So BNB is down 2.71% in the last 7 days. Number 3, XRP the scam at 37.8 cents, down 2.58%. Number 4, Cardano, down yikes 8.40% at that 35-cent level. And then you have number 5, Dogecoin at 8 pennies, down 4.39%, basically regaining the top 5 spot, you know, and within the altcoins from Polygon, as we see that it's been dumping a little bit recently. So it's something to definitely keep in mind. And then if we refresh here, let's take the top 5 best performing assets during the last 7 days. Singularity at 52 cents, about half a buck a pop, 31.23% increase in the last week. Then number 2, Maker at $880, up almost 20%. Didix at $3 a pop, up 13.71%. Number 4, Nem at basically a nickel, up 13.52%. And then number 5, Casper at 4 pennies, up almost 12%, guys. So, and then we have the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. We have cornflakes. You got the cornflakes here, guys, at 22 pennies, down 23.32%. Number 2, Hedera H-bar at 6, almost 7 pennies, down 15%. Number 3, Engine Coin. That's the motor coin, huh? It's almost 50 cents, basically half a dollar a pop, down 15% as well. And then number 4, you have Tezos at $1.16, down 13.25%. And then number 5, you have Zilliqa, down 13% at just 3 pennies, guys. If you enjoy this type of informative content, guys, make sure you like the video, you subscribe to our channel, check out our website, link in the description below. Good tools and resources for you guys. I want to thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and I hope you guys have a good one.